Hello, today we learn keypad module 4x4 interfacing with Arduino with module. We can use this code for interfacing according to our keyboard module using the same character 1, 2, 3 in row and 1, 4, 7 star in like column. And our pins are connected with the Arduino from row 13 to 10 and for column 9 to 8. These pins is our jumper wire male to male connected with Arduino pin number 13 to 6. Now we can check our output in serial monitor. First can erase. Now open the serial monitor. When press any number like a 5 and display serial monitor 5. When another alphabet key press like C and check the serial monitor output C. Now next any number like a 0, display the 0. This is a very easy to learn how to use keypad module and interfacing with our microcontroller Arduino. Thank you.